In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step method to create an eye-catching poster design in Photoshop. First, create a new document in Photoshop with a size of 21 by 29.7 centimeters. This is a standard poster size and works perfectly for print and digital use. Once your canvas is ready, place the main image onto the canvas. You can download this image from the link provided in the description, so make sure to grab it before continuing. Go to the adjustment layer icon and choose Solid Color. Enter the color shown in the video to give your poster a dramatic tone. After that, change the blending mode to Color. This instantly transforms the look of the image and gives it a cinematic color grade. Once done, delete the original background layer to keep your workspace clean and professional. Next, select the top layer and place the car image onto the canvas. Adjust its position and scale to fit the composition perfectly. Now select the solid color layer and create a new layer above it. Choose the brush tool, set the flow to 50%, and carefully paint soft shadows. This step adds depth and realism to the poster and makes the subject stand out. Select the top layer again and place the smoke image onto the canvas. Rotate it according to the composition and position it where it enhances the motion of the design. Change the blending mode to Screen, so the smoke blends naturally with the background. After that, drag the smoke layer below the car layer to maintain a realistic layer order. Now select the car layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Select the original car layer, go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Path Blur, and apply the settings shown in the video. This creates a powerful motion effect. Add a layer mask, select the brush tool, set the foreground color to black, and paint over areas where you want to hide the blur for a clean and realistic look. Finally, select the top layer and add your text. You can download the editable PSD text file from the link in the description and customize it with your own words, font, or style. This makes your poster completely unique and professional. Just like this, your modern cinematic poster design is complete using Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more professional Photoshop design tricks, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.